Good morning, students. I am Swati, your science teacher. Today we will study the property is attraction towards a magnet, and chapter is sorting materials into groups. So here we will basically separate the material into two groups. One is the magnetic and other is the non-magnetic. So basically the property of a magnet by which a metal attracts towards it, that property of magnet is known as the magnetism. So magnetism is the property of a magnet by which a magnet attracts certain metals. So if certain metals they are attracted toward a magnet, that certain certain metals or certain materials which are attracted toward a magnet, they are known as the magnetic material, and the material which are not attracted towards a magnet, or the materials that are not attracted toward the magnet, that are known as the non-magnetic materials. Fine. So basically in this topic we are sorting the materials into two groups. One is the magnetic, other is the non-magnetic. If material is attracted toward a magnet, it is known as the magnetic material. If it is not attracted towards a magnet, it is known as the non-magnetic material. So example of magnetic materials are iron, cobalt and nickel, and non-magnetic material is the wood, paper and plastic. These are non-magnetic material. Let us do an activity on it. Activity is that to group objects एज मैग्नेटिक और नॉन मैग्नेटिक. आपको ऑब्जेक्ट्स गिवन होंगे, आपको उनको मैग्नेटिक और नॉन मैग्नेटिक के बेसिस पे सेपरेट आउट करना है. हेयर द मटेरियल नीडेड इज अ सेफ्टी पिन, मेटेलिक हेयर क्लिप, थंब पिन, पेंसिल, इरेजर, ग्लास टम्बलर, प्लास्टिक बॉटल, कार्डबोर्ड, कॉम, नेल्स, आयरन की, रॉक, पेपर एंड अ magnet. So many things are given to you. What you have to do, you have to separate these things on the basis of magnetic as well as non-magnetic properties or non-magnetic materials. So method is what? Bring a magnet close to object one at a time. आप मैग्नेट को उन ऑब्जेक्ट्स के पास ले जाएं. सेपरेट ऑब्जेक्ट्स इनटू टू ग्रुप्स. दो ग्रुप में इन ऑब्जेक्ट्स को सेपरेट कर दें. एक विच आर अट्रैक्टेड बाय द मैग्नेट एंड नेक्स्ट ग्रुप इज दैट विच इज़ नॉट अट्रैक्टेड बाय अ मैग्नेट. एंड थर्ड इज द रिकॉर्ड योर ऑब्जर्वेशन. सो ऑब्जर्वेशन में व्हाट विल यू राइट? ऑब्जेक्ट्स दैट आर अट्रैक्टेड बाय अ मैग्नेट. आप यहाँ पे वो ऑब्जेक्ट्स लिखेंगे जो मैग्नेट से अट्रैक्टेड हैं. नेक्स्ट में आप वो ऑब्जेक्ट्स लिखेंगे जो मैग्नेट से अट्रैक्टेड नहीं है, ऑब्जेक्ट्स दैट आर नॉट अट्रैक्टेड बाय अ मैग्नेट. एंड कंक्लूजन इज दैट some materials are magnetic and some are non-magnetic. Let's just find out the material which is magnetic or non-magnetic. A safety pin is a magnetic material. Metallic hair clip is a magnetic. Thumb pin is a magnetic. Pencil is non-magnetic. Eraser non-magnetic. Glass tumbler non-magnetic. Plastic bottle non-magnetic. Cardboard non-magnetic. Comb non-magnetic. Nails magnetic. Iron key magnetic. Rock non-magnetic, paper non-magnetic, and a magnet is obviously you are needed for to check out the magnetic or non-magnetic material. Here nails are mentioned. If only nail is mentioned, it means it is non-magnetic. Sorry, so nails are basically non-magnetic. If iron nails is written there, then it is magnetic. Fine. So it is the activity in which we are separating the things on the basis of magnetic as well as non-magnetic material. Here is the diagram mentioned here. This diagram, iron bar is there. Sorry, a magnet is there on which iron fillings are attached. Iron fillings are basically what? It is the crushed iron. Basically iron का चूरा जो होता है, it is the crushed iron. If you place a magnet in between the, if you place a magnet over a crushed iron, the iron fillings will get attracted toward the poles of the magnet. These are known as the poles. One is the north pole and another is the south pole. So we'll discuss in the higher classes. So this corner part is known as the poles. So iron will get attracted on the poles of the magnet. This is it in this topic. In next video I will discuss the next property.